Have you ever found yourself strolling through a crowded place and suddenly felt like you were in the presence of a rare and enigmatic creature, an INFJ Sigma to be precise? Well, don't worry. You're not alone in your fascination with these elusive beings. INFJs, often considered the rarest of all personality types, can be challenging to spot in public due to their innate ability to blend in seamlessly with the crowd. But fear not, for we've put together a comprehensive guide to help you spot these elusive souls with a dash of humor. First things first, let's talk about appearances. Sigma INFJs are like the chameleons of the personality world, seamlessly shifting their looks to fit the occasion. You might find them dressed in vintage clothing one day, sporting a minimalist monochromatic look the next, and then rocking a bohemian style on the weekend. The key here is versatility. To spot them, one must pay meticulous attention to their body language, for it is here that their enigmatic nature is most palpable. Unlike extroverts who may be dancing on tables or vociferously extolling the virtues of kale smoothies, they exhibit a markedly distinct comportment. Picture a crowded coffee shop, teeming with customers queuing up for their morning brew, the grinding of coffee beans, and the symphony of espresso machines. In this bustling panorama, the Sigma INFJ is the person who carefully selects a tranquil corner. Their beverage of choice often differs from the norm, a chai latte perhaps, and their reading material is invariably a tome titled The Philosophy of Existentialism in Quantum Mechanics. It is their body language that serves as the primary telltale sign of their presence. The Sigma INFJ's body language is a tapestry of tranquility in the midst of chaos. Seated with the calm of an ocean on a windless day, they exude an aura of serene contemplation that starkly contrasts the pandemonium surrounding them. These individuals are not the life of the party. Rather, they are its silent observers, the ethereal anchor amidst the tumultuous sea of interactions. Their body language is not a facade, but an authentic reflection of their introspective nature, where thoughtful reflection takes precedence over ostentation. It's not that INFJs are reclusive. They are, in fact, deeply engaged with the world, but they do so with a quiet wisdom that few can replicate. Amidst the cacophony of life, the Sigma INFJ's placidity is the lighthouse guiding astute observers to spot them. Their body language tells a story of harmonious coexistence with the surrounding chaos, marking them as the calm in the storm. Sigma INFJs are known for their thoughtful and introspective nature. They're the ones you might overhear discussing the meaning of life or the intricacies of the multiverse while sipping on their herbal tea. These individuals have a way of being both deep and mysterious, like the enigma wrapped in a riddle. Sigma INFJs are often drawn to creative and artistic pursuits, and you might find them sketching in a journal or writing poetry in a cozy corner. They also possess an uncanny ability to understand the emotions of others. If you spot someone quietly consoling a friend with a Zen-like calmness while sipping a latte, you may have just discovered a Sigma INFJ in the wild. They're the emotional healers of the world, armed with empathy and a deep understanding of human complexities. These rare individuals are celebrated for their thoughtful and introspective nature, attributes that are as distinctive as they are mysterious. Spotting a Sigma INFJ in public often entails being a silent observer of their profound conversations and the creative endeavors they passionately embrace. You might discover a Sigma INFJ engaged in an intellectual discourse, discussing the grandiose questions of existence or the intricacies of the multiverse with an almost mystical fervor. Their choice of beverage, perhaps a fragrant herbal tea, serves as a metaphor for their depth of thought, a respite from the ordinary in the realm of caffeine. It is in these moments that they take on the role of modern-day philosophers, delving into the profound questions that others may overlook. Beyond their penchant for philosophical conversations, Sigma INFJs are often drawn to creative and artistic pursuits. The quiet corner of a bustling cafe may be their sanctuary, where they indulge in sketching intricate designs or penning heartfelt poetry in a leather-bound journal. Their creations are a window into their souls, revealing a depth of emotion and imagination that is often enchanting and profound. They are the dreamers who can breathe life into ideas, who find inspiration in the ordinary, and who invite the world to see beauty in the mundane. The temperament of an INFJ is like the unraveling of an intricate riddle. They are enigmas who unravel the complexities of existence, bringing a sense of wonder and reflection to the world around them. Their passion for intellectual exploration and creative expression is a testament to their soulful depth, a depth that draws others towards them with an irresistible allure. Spotting a Sigma INFJ may entail identifying those who radiate an aura of contemplation and wield the power to turn ordinary moments into extraordinary ones, for they are the Zen Wizards who quietly shape the world's consciousness. Sigma INFJs are often characterized by their remarkable ability to understand and connect with the emotions of those around them. They possess an innate talent for empathy, making them natural heart whisperers. You may notice them engaging in deep, one-on-one conversations with friends, offering a comforting presence during difficult times, or even showing kindness to strangers in subtle, meaningful ways. Their eyes may hold a sense of warmth and understanding, like a gentle embrace that resonates with others, leaving a lasting impact. Behind those expressive eyes, you can often discern a sense of warmth and understanding that transcends spoken language. It's as if they carry a gentle embrace within them, one that resonates with others and leaves an indelible mark on their hearts. In a world that can often feel emotionally detached and fast-paced, they serve as beacons of compassion and understanding, making the world a little brighter through their empathetic engagement and reminding them to slow down. To spot a one is to identify those who offer solace, extend an empathetic hand, and leave an enduring impact through their ability to genuinely connect with the hearts of those they encounter. However, initially you will find them sitting by themselves, watching the ocean waves hit the shores, or at a park feeding birds and minding their own business. At first glance, they may appear standoffish or antisocial to the naked eye, but if you approach and engage with them, you will find that they will never turn anyone down, as they are very in tune and mindful of hurting others, even in the least bit. Within the spectrum of human interests and pastimes, Sigma INFJs shine as the seekers of the unusual. They are not content with the mundane, instead gravitating towards hobbies and activities that are often considered offbeat or unconventional. This distinctive aspect of their character sets them apart, making it intriguing to spot an INFJ in the wild, often engaging in pursuits that pique curiosity and ignite the imagination. One of the most telling signs of a Sigma INFJ's unconventional nature is their choice of hobbies. You might find them immersed in activities that most people might deem eccentric or niche. Whether it's delving into the mysteries of astrology, religion, or exploring the world of abstract avant-garde art, Sigma INFJs have a proclivity for the peculiar. They are not afraid to venture into uncharted territory, pursuing interests that others may overlook. Their unconventional hobbies often become a reflection of their intellectual curiosity and a desire to see the world through a unique lens. As observers and collectors of experiences, they are also the individuals who might be foraging for rare herbs in the depths of a forest, crafting homemade potions or remedies, and documenting their findings in intricate journals if placed in such a setting. Their passion for these unusual hobbies is a testament to their penchant for embracing the less traveled paths and their ability to unearth beauty in the extraordinary. Spotting an INFJ in public can involve identifying those who exhibit a deep appreciation for the idiosyncrasies of life. They thrive in environments that challenge the status quo and shatter conventional norms. Their interests often lead to intriguing anecdotes that reveal their vibrant imagination and the unique perspective through which they experience the world. Their pursuit of the unusual transcends a mere pastime. It represents a quest to seek the extraordinary, and it's an element that makes them truly exceptional. In a world that often favors conformity and routine, Sigma INFJs stand as a beacon of authenticity and creativity. They invite others to embrace the richness of unconventional experiences, reminding us that the unusual and extraordinary can be the gateway to a deeper understanding of the world around us. To spot an INFJ is to recognize those who unapologetically explore the unusual, inspiring us to cherish the extraordinary in our own lives and to celebrate the beauty that can be found in the unconventional. Sigma INFJs are known for their penchant for engaging in thought-provoking, philosophical conversations that delve into the profound questions of life, existence, and human nature. They are the philosophical dreamweavers, weaving intricate ideas and perspectives into the fabric of their conversations. When a Sigma INFJ speaks, you'll often notice the conversation taking an interesting turn. They have an innate ability to explore the depths of philosophy, existentialism, and the human condition. While others may engage in small talk, they're more inclined to ponder the complexity of the universe, the meaning of life, and the interplay of emotions and consciousness. Sigma INFJs are the intellectual dreamers who add a layer of depth to any conversation, making them fascinating to engage with and easy to spot for their love of deep, philosophical discourse. There you have it. As you can see, spotting a Sigma INFJ in public is a bit like hunting for a unicorn. They're elusive, unique, and often hiding in plain sight. Keep an eye out for those who exhibit versatility in their appearance. Maintain a calm and composed demeanor, and engage in deep philosophical conversations over a cup of artisanal tea. Just remember, respect their privacy and embrace the wonder of their existence in your world. Who knows, you might just learn a thing or two about life, the universe, and everything in between.